Hi everyone, it's WOW News, second installment for the week. I'm doing a lot of extra reports this week for WOW News, and this one is about the rescinding of the guidance for English language learners. Behind me you will see all of the affiliates in conjunction with TESOL, Teachers of English for Students of Other Languages, one of the main organizations that does research and all kinds of supportive things for multilingual learners. So they issued a letter on September 12th with over 100 affiliates. Those are the organizations you see scrolling behind me, in support of bringing back the guidance. So they issued this letter to the Department of Justice and the Department of Ed, and we hope to get a response. Stay tuned.